Hey guys, we are on the inside of a Wolverine RMAX 1000. This video is going to cover the center console. What I love about this center console area is the soft touch point on the top of this lid. It is very squishy, if you will. It is a soft touch point. It's very comfortable on the elbow and your arm to rest it on there. But how big is it inside? I'm going to open this up. And on the inside of the lid, you can see the storage space. It's definitely not super big, nothing like on the original Wolverine. Inside of here, you do have a tire gauge and a toolkit. Should we see what's in the toolkit? Sounds like a good time. Let's open this up, see what we got inside. So, we got your basic toolkit here. That's kind of cool. Got a 14 and a 17. Love that it says Yamaha. You got your screwdriver that's in basically every toolkit you've ever seen. I'm sure it flips around. Yes, it does, with a flat head on the other side. Pliers. Another wrench, a 10 and a 12. Spark plug wrench. And that is it. So that is inside the center console storage area. Again, not super big. It is sealed along there. We have seen no dust inside any of the storage area on either machine that we've been testing today. Super stoked about that. Let me know what you guys plan on putting in that center console area. And that's a wrap.